Okay then, mates. I'm going to show you how to do take a doorknob off, put on a new one. Alright, here's the doorknob. See here? It's proper broken. Look, nothing will work. For comparison, this doorknob, as you can see right now, is broken. This dog is perfectly fine. So I've had a bit of a scrunch around and I found a couple of things which I thought might be useful. Phillips head screwdriver, old wooden handled knife, coat hanger here, a little bit of wire, and I also found this old sweet potato behind the fridge which I thought looked pretty cool. Dog's over there trying to get under the bookshelf. Yeah, so if you look at this knob, we'll go around this other side so the light's a bit better. You're going to find yourself a little bastard of a hole somewhere. You're going to look round. There it is. See that hole? See that little bit of metal there? You're going to want to push that in. See how it's there and now it isn't? There isn't. There isn't. There isn't. Yeah, you get the picture. Alright, we're going to want to push that in. When you push that in, it'll unlock this bit and slide out like a dream. Slide out like a dream. Whoa. Go with the knife. Here we go. In there. In we go. Push that. Now, it slides out like a dream. Unfortunately, I'm holding the camera with the other hand. Hold on. Oh, look out. Alright, so you remember the bit that we showed? There it is, there it isn't, there it is, there it isn't. Alright, now from a distance, the long wide shot, I'm going to find it, pushing it in now, and slides out like a dream. Like a dream. Almost there. Next, this bit here has got to go. Let's go in close for a look. Very nice and close. There's our earlier hole. Remember that one? Just there? Well, this is the other bit. You got to flick this little bit. Flick it good. Let's grab the bloody... We'll get the knife again, shall we? Look at that. Still fresh. Alright. Here we go. And I may have done that earlier. Sorry. But you get the gist. You flick that up and the whole thing slides off like a dream. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that hole there. Yeah? Get that out and you can fit your dick in it. Come round to the other side here. And what do you got? Another one of them little bits. Little bits. Yeah? Another one of them little bits. Back, forward, there it is, there it isn't, there it is, there it isn't. Magic. Wide angle shot, here's me screwdriver. Gonna pop it in. You ready? Like a fucking dream. Now you got a little thing to throw at the neighbours when they have big parties. Pretty solid.
Oh no.
Alright, I've got to admit, I've got to this part. I don't know what to do now. Give us a sec, I'm going to have a look on Google. I'll get back to you.
Don't look away.
Alright, according to the internet, it's just the same kind of thing, apparently. You just fucking wiggle around. What I reckon is you just go like that. Look at that. You just wiggle around a bit and now she's out. I did these screws first because I thought that's how it worked, but this is the last bit that comes out. Like that. Like that. And there you have it. Now that your job's all done, you go sit in the yard and have a big swig of rum. Whoa, I love working